Unlock the secret to instantly spotting crucial insights within your Qlik Sense pivot tables using the power of indicators. Alright, let's dive straight in first. Open up your Qlik Sense app and navigate to the sheet containing the pivot table you want to enhance. Now, select the pivot table and in the Properties panel on the right, scroll down until you see the Add-in section and expand it. Here you'll find the indicator option. Click on that indicator. A new panel will appear where you define your indicator first. Select the measure you want the indicator to be based on. This is the numerical value you'll be evaluating. Next, we need to define the condition that triggers the indicator. This is done using an expression. For example, let's say we want to highlight sales figures exceeding $100,000. You'd write an expression that checks if the sales measure is greater than 1000. Now for the fun part, styling. Choose an indicator style that best represents your data. You can select from arrows, flags, bullet points, or even upload your own custom icons. Adjust the color and size to make it visually impactful. You can also define separate styles for when the condition is true or false. For instance, a green upward arrow for exceeding the target and a red downward arrow for falling short. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've transformed your Qlik Sense pivot table into a powerful tool for identifying trends and highlighting critical data points. Experiment with different indicators to uncover deeper insights and drive data-informed decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Qlik Sense tips and tricks.